Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom fields to your Shopify checkout. Custom fields let you collect extra information from customers, such as delivery instructions, gift messages, company details, order notes, or any other information that's important for your business. The exact options available depend on your Shopify plan, but I'll show you the easiest methods available in the current version of Shopify. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Settings, then select Checkout. This is where Shopify lets you manage how your checkout experience works. Scroll through the checkout settings and look for the Customer Information and Order Options sections. Here, you can choose which customer details are required, optional, or hidden. For example, you can require a phone number, make the company name optional, or collect additional customer information that Shopify already supports. After making any changes, click Save. If you simply want customers to leave extra information with their order, such as delivery instructions or personalization requests, Shopify already includes an Order Notes feature. To enable it, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme. Open your cart page or cart drawer depending on your theme, then look for an option called Enable Cart Notes or Order Notes. Turn it on and click Save. Now, when customers view their cart before checkout, they'll see a text box where they can leave additional instructions. Those notes are attached to the order and can be viewed directly in your Shopify admin after the order is placed. If you need completely custom fields directly on the checkout page itself, such as drop-down menus, checkboxes, file uploads, or text fields, Shopify requires additional customization. On Shopify Plus, you can use checkout blocks or checkout extensions to add these fields directly to checkout. If you're not using Shopify Plus, the easiest solution is to install a trusted app from the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like checkout custom fields, order form, or product options. Many of these apps let you create text boxes, drop-down menus, date pickers, gift options, and other custom fields without writing code. Simply install the app, follow its setup guide, choose the field type you want, and enable it for your store. Before publishing your changes, it's always a good idea to test everything yourself. Add a product to your cart, proceed through checkout, and confirm that the custom field or order note appears correctly. Then place a test order and verify that the information is visible inside the order details in your Shopify admin. This helps ensure your customers won't run into any issues. Keep in mind that adding too many required fields can slow down the checkout process and may reduce conversions. Only collect information that's truly necessary and keep the checkout experience as simple as possible for your customers. And that's it. That's how you add custom fields or extra options to Shopify checkout using the current version of Shopify. Whether you're using built-in order notes, checkout settings, Shopify Plus features, or a third-party app, you can collect the extra information you need while keeping the buying process smooth and professional. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.